In this video, I'll show you how you can make an Instagram reel on Canva. What you have to do is simply press create a design, type in reel, and from in here it will show you Instagram reel. Now this one is a photo and this one is a video. So click on this one to create the video and you will come to this page. As you can see, it will already have the phone size, and in here you can select some templates if you want. So let's just say you want to make a reel that looks like this. What you can do is you can select it and put it in here. Just let it load. And you can see when it starts, there will be images up here. So you can replace the images yourself by putting it into uploads. And under uploads in here, what you can do is just put new pictures in, and you can drag this and you can add a new page. And it's quite easy to figure out once you play around with it. So that's basically how it works. After that, you want to press share, download, and then you want to save it as an MP4 video and just press download again. So that's basically how you can make a reel, guys. There's also other things you can do animate to put animations and stuff like this. So just play around with it and see how you like it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.